Hello, this is a video to show you how to do today's assignment. We are going to be graphing a line in slope-intercept form. The first thing you want to do is you want to grab your pencil, and if you look at our equation, our y-intercept is the number that follows the x, and in this example it's at -1. So I'm going to put my pencil right on -1, and I'm going to click so that a dot appears. Next, what I want to do is I want to look at my slope. So my slope says -2/3. Because it is negative, what I'm going to do is I'm going to not do my rise up, but do my rise down by 2 boxes. And then my bottom number is 3. So I'm going to run 3 to the right because that is positive. And I'm going to click a dot there. Now I have 2 dots for my line. If you look, if I draw this line, it's going to be going downhill, which is what I want since it's a negative slope. I'm going to grab my line tool. And all I need to do is place it on one of my points and click, and place it on my second point and click, and now I have my line. So then I can hit submit, which isn't quite showing up here. Let's see. One second. All right. So I'm able to check that. It says that I'm correct. All right, so let's try another one here. In this case, I've got a y-intercept of -3, so I'm going to put a dot at -3 and click. It's always going to be on my y-axis. And then I'm going to rise from that. This time it's a positive slope, so I'm going to go up 1, and I'm going to run to the right again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I put my dot. Grab my line tool and connect my 2 points. And again, I'm going to try and hit check, and it is correct. Now, that's going to be like the first 4 questions. When you get to question number 5, in this one, the slope is no longer a fraction. And so we still are going to locate our y-intercept in the same way. So I'm going to put a dot at -5 on my y-axis. But this time, because there's no number underneath, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rise the 2, because it's positive, I'm going up. And I can put a 1 underneath that too. So I'm just going to go to the right 1 box. So whenever there's not a number underneath your slope, that means you're just going to run 1 box to the right. So I'll connect my points. And of course, annoyingly, I have to scoot this over to hit check. And I got it correct. Let's see if I can see if there's one that's a negative slope. All right, perfect. So this one, I have a y-intercept of +2. So because it's +2, I'm going to go up, place my dot there. I've got a slope of -4, so this time I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, but always going to the right 1 box because there's no number underneath that 4. And then I'm going to connect my points. I'm using the line tool and check it to make sure that it's correct, which it is. So you've got 8 questions. 4 of them are going to have a fractional slope, and 4 of them will have a whole number or an integer for a slope. So you'll have to do your run 1 to the right. I hope to see you tomorrow, and enjoy your day.